Gotta lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. You only get one shot, do not miss your chance to blow. This opportunity comes once in a lifetime. Yo, welcome back to Between the Keys. I'm doing Lose Yourself right now by Eminem. It's such a good tune. How could I not do it? So, first of all, you need the intro. Da 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 dum. Dee dee dee. I can't see myself. Give me 2 seconds. Let me just bring that back up. Now I can see. Anyway, just want to make sure that you can see what I play. Okay, it starts on a D minor chord. Ba-na-na-na-na. Kind of the same thing twice, but then ba-na-na. That's a G minor chord. And then it holds on that C sharp before we go bum, 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 bum. So what are the chords? Well, hopefully you got that intro. It's D minor to C, because I want to move on from the intro. I guess you could slow it down or go back. And then that last part. And that's the end. So the chords are D minor chord to B flat. And if you look on Ultimate Guitar or any other site that gives you the chords, it will tell you to go up to C. But if you actually listen to the record, I can hear it stay on the B flat. Mostly. Maybe the bass changes only up to C. If you actually sing along with it too, you might hear what I'm talking about. His palms are sweaty, knees weak, arms are heavy. There's vomit on his sweater already. Mom's spaghetti. He's nervous, but on the surface he looks calm and ready to drop bombs. But he keeps on forgetting what he wrote down. The whole crowd goes so loud. He opens his mouth, but the words won't come out. He's choking now. Clock's run out, time's up, overblow. Snap back to reality. Oh, there goes gravity. Oh, there goes rabbit. He's cooked, he's so mad, but he won't. He won't give up that, he won't have it, he knows. It's kind of hard to sing and play actually. His hold backs to these ropes, it don't matter, he's dope. He knows that, but he's broke. He's so stagnant. He's so stagnant, he knows. When he goes back to his mobile home, that's when it's back to the lab again, yo. This whole rhapsody, better go capture this moment and hope it don't pass him up. There's no up, pass him. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. I think the C comes in definitely on the verse. On the chorus. But on the verse, you could almost stay on the B flat. Gives it an extra little flavour too. Let's listen to the guitar part on the verse. Anyway, you've then got that piano line which goes da 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 da. Ba da da ba da da ba. I keep playing up to the D, but it goes up to the C. Yeah. I'll get it right one day. G, B flat, A, D. That's the little line that he plays up the top. Well, I say he. I don't know who plays keys for Eminem. Could you bring that up, Jamie? Jamie, could you bring that up? I don't know what. Jamie, could you? My impression of Joe Rogan. Joe Rogan. Jamie, could you bring that up? Who played Eminem's keys parts? Thank you, Jamie. No, Jamie, don't click on that. Anyway, impressions aside. His soul's escaping through this hole that is gaping. This world is mine for the taking. Make me king as we move toward a new world order. A normal life is boring, but superstardom's close to postmortem. It only grows harder. Homie grows harder. He blows us all over. These hoes is all on him. Coast to coast shows. He's known as the Globetrotter. What if Biggie did it? Lonely roads. God only knows. He's grown farther from home, he's no father. He goes home and barely knows his own daughter. I love it when you call me Big Papa, but hold your nose, 'cause here goes the cold water. Those hoes don't want him no more, he's cold product. They moved on to the next schmo who flows his nose dove and sold nada. So the soap opera is told, it unfolds. I suppose it's old, partner, but the beat goes on. Da-da-dump, da-dump. You better lose yourself in the music the moment you own it. You better never let it go. So, thanks for watching. That is Lose Yourself. Ba-da-da-da-da-da-bum-ba. It's only 3 chords. In fact, as I said, you could even get away with only 2 chords for the verse. But let me know in the comments if you think it goes to the C every time. I think it stays on the B flat when I listen to it. Either way, Between the Keys, thanks for watching. If you want more content, let me know what song. And check out betweenthekeys.com for your piano reviews. Subscribe and like and follow and blah-de-blah-de-blah for more. And yes, quite, yes. Jeff Goldblum. That's another impression I'm working on. Yes. That's Chaos Theory, yes. We'll see what happens with that one. Yes, there may be trouble ahead. So it's impressions and music tutorials here on Between the Keys. Right.